Welcome to my video, where we're going to learn the proper way to breathe. So if you've been breathing wrong your entire life, don't worry, I won't judge. Okay, maybe just a little. But let's get started. The first thing you need to know is that breathing is like a dance. You have to move your body in the right way to get the right rhythm. So, let's start with the basics. First, stand up straight and loosen up those shoulders. You don't want to look like a robot, right? Next, put your hands on your hips like you're a superhero. You can even imagine a cape if it helps. Okay, now take a deep breath through your nose and imagine that you're smelling a delicious pizza. And hold it, don't let it out yet. That was good. Okay, now exhale through your mouth like you're blowing out birthday candles. And relax. See, that wasn't so hard. Now, let's try something a little more advanced. Okay, now we're going to try some yoga breathing. This one is called the lion's breath because, well, you'll see. That was awesome, right? Okay, let's try it again. You should feel invigorated and ready to take on the world. Or at least your next Zoom meeting. And that's it, folks. You've now learned how to breathe like a pro. Remember, proper breathing is not just for yogis and meditation gurus. It's for everyone who wants to feel more relaxed, focused, and confident. So, breathe in and out like you just don't care.